Introducing the KeyGrip 3-Stage Steel Baby Kit, one of the most durable and strong all-purpose light stands in its class. The stand's steel riser stages and durable legs are made to support heavy lights and gear, even when at maximum height. Custom hexagonal brake castings ensure your gear stays just as secure at full height as it does at minimum height. And they give the stand its distinctive KeyGrip identity. A small footprint, backed by heavy-duty braces and beefy spider castings, deliver rock-steady support, even outdoors in windy conditions. All the knobs on the KeyGrip stands are identical and are ergonomically designed to give you all the torque you need to securely tighten the riser locks while being easy on your hands. It folds down for easy travel and storage. And when the day wraps, the hanger pins on the top spider casting make storage and transport simple, whether you're in the studio, the shop, or on the truck. Durable, precise, ready for the toughest environments. The KeyGrip 3-Stage Steel Baby Kit, built for professionals, made to last a generation.